that your favorite toy? Who's that? Do you love or hate that thing? Huh?
Why is she watching me? She never watches me. Well, I am now with his little bitty hand, and then he dips it in the water to soften it up, and then he eats it. I don't know why I think that's so precious, but I do. I think it's so cute. Right, baby? Yeah, you're a good boy. And you know Don't get mad at me.
We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love.